Kevin7001 here, and I know my room's a little messy, but I'm gonna be showing you how to turn this plug right here into speaker wire to use for these things, because as you can see it has this, it has that, so it's not really possible to put it anywhere here and actually make it work unless you just want to get an adapter or something. So we're gonna be telling you how to turn this into actual speaker wire to work like regular speaker wire. So first thing you want to do is cut off the end. Hold on, well, not really the end, but you're gonna cut off this, if you can see that. Hopefully you can. And cut off that part, the thing that I just cut off. And then you're going to cut down the middle of it, if you can see. If I can do it. This is taking a long time. You have to get it right in the middle. Hold on, I'll just stop the video and do it. So, once you have it kind of like that, you're going to get either scissors or a speaker wire cutter, which I don't know where my speaker wire cutter went, but so once you do that, you basically cut it, and you can use speaker wire cutter, which I have that, so I'll do that. And cut both of the sides so you get the middle wire. And I always use the smallest hole because that's just kind of good. And I'll just cut off a little more, if you can see me. Not really sure if you can. I'll stop this video and make sure you can see me, to make sure you can see me. Alright, so once you have it like that, like that on both sides, you're going to want to hook it up to your amplifier. You're gonna basically need an amplifier, some kind of amplifier. It can be any kind of amplifier. Well, not really any kind, but an amplifier for speakers. So then hook that up to your amplifier. So I'll go through the instructions once again. You basically cut off the end piece that has that, and then it'll turn it into actual wire, speaker wire, and then yeah, that's how you do it.